Hello guys, my name is Ray and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am creating my first indie game and this is my first indie game devlog for that. Before we start, just a short intro of me. I am a software engineer by profession and really started in creating games. But before I create my dream game, I wanted to start from a small game so I can understand basic concepts of game development and how things work. As obvious, I don't have any prior knowledge of game development, so it's also logical to start with a small game which I can release and build some confidence for my game development journey. Currently, I am working on a game called Aquanaut. It's a very simple game of scuba diver finding relic deep inside the sea while dodging dangerous obstacles and collecting rewards. It's an endless 2D runner game which I am creating with the help of Unity and C Sharp. I choose Unity because of its huge community support, and as a software engineer, I am more familiar with the coding and stuff, so it's easy for me to understand C Sharp and create a game with it. I have created a draft plan for my game so I can get a better understanding what I have to do next. I have divided my game into 5 major sprints consist of initial game setup and core functionality, base game UI and design, visual effect and sound, game data management, and game store. First, I have to create a character movement and placeholder background. After that, I will create obstacles and reward system so that user can interact with them, and hopefully add mobile support for the game, all the basic core functionalities. Then I have to create a game loop with user interactions. So once user interact with obstacles, user died and have to restart the game. And if it interacts with reward, then I have to reward user from some kind of monetary value or maybe like game currency. I'm not sure about that right now, but I will look into this in future.
Hello guys, it's been a week since I last recorded my devlog video and I really wanted to show what I have achieved so far. I've set up the basic character movement, so it's upward and downward movement. By default, players move toward the downward direction, and on PC if you press space it moves toward the upward, and on mobile if you touch any screen part of a mobile it moves player to the upward direction. And that's it for the basic character movement for my indie game. It's endless runner, so there is no complex logics for the character movement, so I think this will be good for now. I have also set up the spawner function for my game, so it's really simple. It's render random object from the list, the game object list I provided, which I'm going to show you in Unity as well. I have added some prefabs there. So there's two prefabs for obstacle and one for reward. And what it does is it takes the random object from from my list, and it renders it on a random height of a game. So I have adjusted the min and max height uh, for the game so that I can spawn it in on y-axis on random positions. So that's it for the spawner function. Let's move on Unity and see it in action. So as you can see, now we are able to move player upward and downward. So currently I just have to avoid these obstacles and I have to correct the coins. And I also set up that if you touch any of this object, the game is over. Okay. So currently it pauses the game, so I have to set up the game over screen and other stuff which I am going to do on a game UI and design part. So I think that's it for this devlog. I've set up the basic game in which you have to avoid obstacles and collect coins. In the next devlog, I'm targeting to make our UI a bit better and adding a perfect background to match our theme. And I'm also targeting to add some animations on our character as well as uh, the obstacles that we have. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to help me in my indie game journey, and see you in the next video.